Hi guys, my name is Garrett Simpson with Team Revival. And we just wanted to give you guys a sneak peek at the property we just finished up. Over here we installed a 12 by 12 pergola, redid the concrete, and built a retaining wall for our new flower beds. So something that this neighbor really wanted to show off is her front yard. They spend a lot of time in the backyard but enjoy drinking their coffee out in the morning on their beautiful front porch. It was kind of dated, so we added a little bit of new to it. And we came in, all this was once dirt. We filled it in with stamped concrete, colored concrete, to give it that wood look that matches their brand new garage door. It's kind of the new look that we're going to be going with. Eventually everything on their house is going to have that new modern look to it. Guys, if any of these pergolas, concrete, any kind of landscaping needs, if that interests you, give us a call. We'll come out and give you a free estimate. And be sure to check out our website and follow us on our social media. Thank you.